Now let's talk about data mining. Now 1 year ago, I had published a video on data mining showing you exactly what is data mining and basic things with Python and data mining. Now I'm here to talk about data mining a little bit. Let's see the fact. The amount of data that was published from the beginning of the world till 2003 is equal to the data that is being produced every 2 days right now. Like yesterday and today, there is more data than it was produced before 2003. Just you can imagine how much data is being produced these days. Like really very high. And you can imagine how much data will be produced in the future, like with the increase of the technology, right? So it's really important to categorize the data because see, when did gold mining started? When the golds of the surface were finished, right? And that's where the gold mining was started. They had to dig down the hole, right? So that's the same case of data mining. Previously, data mining was not necessary because there were very less data. They could be manipulated like the gold in the surface level, right? But when they had to dig deep, they needed gold mining techniques. Same as data mining. Previously, there was less data, so they barely needed data mining. Now, because with the increase of data, they have to dig down and categorize the data, manipulate the data in such a way in a huge number. We call it big data, right? So that's why data mining is very much essential in this era and upcoming era also, because data is going to be the most important thing in the coming era. So if you can learn about data mining more, it's really important. So let's talk about what is data mining. Data mining is simply fetching the data, fetching the real-time data, fetching out the needed data. Like let's say I want to know your age. So I would go to your Facebook if the age is public. So I would just fetch that data, right? And then I will just take it out, right? So that is data mining basically explained, right? So, but there are many things inside the data mining. There are many, you can get many courses also. Like I personally teach people on data analysis and data mining. So just subscribe here right now in my channel. And this is a summary of data mining, why data mining is important, why it is good. I don't want this video to be too much long. So it is long enough to make you understand what is data mining. I think you got it. If you are still chaotic and it feels a little bit chaotic, and if you are again on the fence like what it is, right? So just comment down below and let me know. Okay, just comment down. Go and comment down. Okay, man, it takes a lot of effort to make these videos. I want that fast with that power. Data mining, right? Like this video. And share this video with your programmer friends so that they could also know about mining, data mining. I think data mining. And I'll see you in the next one. Click here to see my other videos. Click here to subscribe and watch my other videos also. Subscribe right now and click the notification bell.